You might have heard this song by First Aid Kit before. Yes, this kind of weather mentioned here was the long, harsh Swedish winter. Often a mix of snow and rain, temperatures hovering around zero, and strong winds. But do not worry. After thousands of years of suffering, the Swedes have developed an ability to turn almost any place into something cozy, even if it was once a prison. Just a stone's throw from the Stockholm Royal Palace, or a short walk from the Nobel Prize Museum in Garnlastang, the old town in Stockholm. This unique 14th century prison makes the perfect shelter on a cold, windy day. This cell once held Karl Strong, the assassin of the Swedish king Gustav III. Gustav III was known for his passion for art and culture. He founded the Royal Swedish Opera, brought new life to the Drottningen Palace Theatre, and most importantly, created the Swedish Akademin, the very institution that chooses the Nobel Prize in Literature today. And Karlström, he ended up with capital punishment. But don't let that dark history take away from the cozy charm of enjoying a Swedish fika here. See you at the next Café Corner.